Jubu learns. Hello friends, let's meet magical farm animals. I am Milk. I don't like to eat sweet. I love belly rubs. I am Rabbit. I love to eat carrots. I have big ears. I am Cat. I have green eyes. I am Dog. I am a popular pet on this planet. I am Donkey. I have large ears. I am Duck. I love to swim and make quack quack sound. I am Rooster. I have colorful tail and neck. I am Sheep. I have excellent sense of smell and I will give lot of fur. I am Goat. I am good in climbing mountains. I am Cow. I give milk. I am Horse. I run very fast.